Introduction. Welcome to this detailed exploration of YTC Price Action Trader by Lance Beggs, a modern classic in the world of trading. Lance Beggs brings a unique perspective, focusing not on indicators or magical setups, but on deeply understanding price action and trader behavior. His philosophy is built around mastering market structure, context, and decision-making under uncertainty, a mindset that separates amateurs from professionals. This summary is structured to give you a clear understanding of Lance Beggs's key teachings, helping you build your own adaptive, high-performance trading approach, one rooted in the market's real-time language, price. Chapter 1: The Reality of Trading. Lance Beggs starts with a reality check. Trading is hard. Most traders fail because they chase shortcuts, holy grails, or rigid systems. The market is dynamic, and success requires a flexible, context-aware approach. He emphasizes that price is the purest form of market information. Indicators lag, price leads. Reading price action is like learning a new language, subtle, layered, and incredibly powerful. The market tells a story with every move. Our job is to read that story. Chapter 2: Context is everything. A central theme of YTC Price Action Trader is context. Lance Beggs insists that trades don't exist in isolation, they're part of a broader structure. Before entering a trade, you must understand what kind of environment the market is in: trending, ranging, volatile, calm. Where price is within that environment: support, resistance, breakout zones. What the market participants might be doing. This chapter teaches you to zoom out, analyze the higher timeframe structure, and use it as a guide before zooming in to take trades. Think like a sniper, not a machine gunner. Chapter 3: The Trader's Mindset. Trading is a mental game. Lance Beggs highlights how traders often sabotage themselves through fear, hesitation, overconfidence, or revenge trading. He outlines essential mindset principles. Accept risk on every trade. Focus on execution, not outcomes. Let go of the need to be right. Embrace uncertainty. Winning traders don't aim for perfection, they aim for consistency over time. They see losses as part of the game and focus on process over profit. Chapter 4: The Market Structure. Here, Lance Beggs breaks down the anatomy of the market. Price moves in waves, impulsive and corrective phases. Understanding these swings is crucial to identifying trends, ranges, and potential reversals. He teaches how to read swing highs and lows, identify structural breaks, spot key support and resistance zones. Structure helps you define your directional bias and make sense of price behavior. Instead of reacting emotionally, you begin to anticipate the market's next move logically. Chapter 5: Price Action and Decision-Making. Now we zoom in. Price action is the real-time language of the market. Lance Beggs teaches traders to observe how price reacts at key levels, how candles form and how volume supports or contradicts price moves. But most importantly, he emphasizes decision-making. What is the market trying to do? Is it succeeding or failing? Where is your entry based on that story? Each trade is a hypothesis. If the market confirms your idea, you stay in. If not, you exit. This keeps you nimble and adaptive. Chapter 6: The Role of Risk and Trade Management. No summary is complete without discussing risk. Lance Beggs teaches that risk management isn't just about stop losses, it's about protecting your mindset. He introduces a flexible framework. Risk small per trade. Use wider stops only when the context supports it. Scale in or out based on unfolding structure. Trade management is dynamic. You don't set and forget. You manage based on what the market gives you, adapting with new information. Chapter 7: Entry and Exit Tactics. Lance Beggs is clear. Entries and exits aren't magic, they're tools within a larger decision-making framework. His entry tactics are based on breakouts from structure, traps and failures, like failed breakouts, pullbacks into value zones, He emphasizes entries at points of maximum favorable risk-reward, areas where you risk little to gain much. Exits, meanwhile, are based on market structure shifts, profit targets, or signs of strength or weakness. The goal is not to catch the entire move but to capture the best part of it, with discipline. Chapter 8: The Feedback Loop. Lance Beggs believes strongly in self-review. Every trade, win or lose, is a chance to learn. He recommends maintaining a detailed trading journal, reviewing trades with context and intent in mind, analyzing not just what you did, but why you did it. This feedback loop builds skill over time. You move from unconscious incompetence to conscious competence until good trading decisions become second nature. Chapter 9: Building your process. No two traders are the same. Lance Beggs urges readers to build their own process, rooted in sound principles but tailored to their personality, schedule, and risk tolerance. He outlines a framework. 1. Pre-market prep, analyze context and key levels. 2. Live market execution, follow your plan. 3. Post-market review, refine your edge. He also encourages using screenshots, trade annotations, and mental notes. A good process is a trader's foundation. When things go wrong, it's what keeps you grounded. Chapter 10: Evolving as a Trader. The final chapter is about growth. Lance Beggs reminds us that trading mastery is a journey, not a destination. Markets evolve. So should you. He encourages constant learning, keeping up with your own data and review, staying humble, focused, and curious. The goal is long-term consistency. You're not trying to win every trade, you're building a lifetime skill. And that takes patience, discipline, and deep self-awareness. Conclusion: Price Action Mastery. YTC Price Action Trader is more than a methodology, it's a mindset. Lance Beggs teaches that great trading isn't about perfect setups. It's about understanding context, thinking in probabilities, and acting with discipline under pressure. He invites traders to become students of the market, to read its language, embrace its uncertainty, and evolve with it. If you can learn to think like a professional, adaptive, calm, and process-focused, the results will follow. There's no holy grail. But there is a path, and YTC Price Action Trader is one of the most valuable guides on that journey.